In tonight's Regulation Nation report, possible not so funny business involving President Obama's push to radically change the way America gets its energy. Correspondent Doug McKelway is live in our D.C. bureau. Good evening, Doug.
Good evening, Brett. Fox News has obtained numerous emails that appear to show collusion between the EPA and environmental groups in drafting the controversial Clean Power Rule. The Energy and Environment Legal Institute, which filed a lawsuit to obtain these emails, believes the collusion is illegal.
We have a process under our laws, very specific, very precise, detailing how agencies are allowed to write what is in effect law. You are not permitted to write rules in the back room with your buddy or on Yahoo accounts with your buddy.
In one email, Sierra Club's lobbyist John Coquette jokes to two senior EPA executives, quote, "pants on fire." That's a reference to then Assistant EPA Administrator Gina McCarthy's speech to a coal industry group in 2012 in which she said, quote, "Coal will continue to provide more of Americans' security than any other fuel source in 2035.
They all knew this was a lie. They were saying what they thought they would have to say just to get by.
And in another memo, an EPA staffer writes a colleague, quote, "Is it possible for you all to put together a short summary of the arguments that the Sierra Club made on why greenhouse gases are currently regulated under the Clean Air Act? Gina would like to get a copy." And in yet another, a Sierra Club lobbyist writes how EPA can craft a standard that no coal-fired plant can meet, while an EPA lawyer responds on his Yahoo account stating, quote, "Attached is a memo I didn't want to send in public." EPA Administrator McCarthy recently said that the agency reached out to a full spectrum of interest to craft the Clean Power Rule.
You know how I know we got this rule right? Because we listened. Before we even put pen to paper on our proposal, we held hundreds of meetings and conversations. We received 4.3 million comments on our proposal.
The EPA did not respond to our request for comment. The Energy and Environment Legal Institute says it will file a suit in the next 60 days to stop the Clean Power Rule. Brett?
Doug, thank you.